In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a limited time offer page in LeadPages, and I'll walk you through some critical steps you might not know about, making sure you get the most out of your page for maximum conversions. Stick around till the end, because I'm also going to share an exclusive offer for LeadPages, plus a look at some other platforms that might better suit your needs. First things first, when you're creating a limited time offer page in LeadPages, the goal is to get visitors to act fast. So, the layout needs to communicate urgency right away. Head to your LeadPages dashboard and select the Create New Page option. When prompted, choose a template that aligns with the type of offer you're running. LeadPages has several pre-designed templates for this kind of page. Choose one that highlights your offer with a clear call to action. Next thing, let's talk about customization. This is where LeadPages shines, but also where you have to be careful. You'll want to adjust your template to fit your brand's look and feel. Changing text, images, and buttons is super easy with their drag and drop editor. But here's a tip: avoid overcomplicating the design. Keep it clean and focused on your offer. Too much text or too many distractions, and people won't take the action you want. The third thing, timers. This is where the real urgency comes in. LeadPages lets you easily add countdown timers to your page, but there's a catch. While they're effective, if you don't customize the design around the timer properly, it can look a bit rushed. Keep the timer visible, but don't overdo it with flashy effects. Make sure the page still feels professional. Now let's talk integrations. LeadPages makes it simple to integrate your limited time offer page with your email marketing software, CRM, or payment processors. You can connect to services like MailChimp or ConvertKit with just a few clicks. However, some users report that integration can occasionally be buggy, especially when it comes to email lists syncing in real time. Just something to keep in mind. The fifth thing I want to mention is testing. You'll need to test how your limited time offer page performs. A/B testing is built right into LeadPages, but sometimes it can take a while for data to come through, and that's something that can impact your timing. If you're working with a tight deadline, this could be a drawback. Finally, while LeadPages is great for basic landing pages and offers, there are alternatives that can help you achieve the same goals, and in some cases, offer even more flexibility. I'll talk about one of these options in just a minute, but first, here's why you might still want to give LeadPages a shot. It's an excellent platform for beginners and those who want to get a landing page up quickly without needing a developer. Before you go, I've got something special for you. If you're ready to try out LeadPages for your own limited time offer page, I've got an exclusive deal through our link. This will get you an extended free trial with bonus benefits that you can't get anywhere else. But here's the twist. I'll also introduce some amazing alternatives that can help you build a better page for your specific goals, and they also offer a free trial. Check the first link in the description to get started with LeadPages and explore these other options. Trust me, you'll want to see which platform works best for your business.